गांधीनगर जगन्नाथ टेम्पल, गांधीनगर जगन्नाथ टेम्पल। रथयात्रा
चंदन परे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे माँ को मगे माड़ी करे दाता को मगे काड़ा धरी मनटी तारो नरेंद्र मोरी भक्त डाकरे जाए जहाली गाड़ी है गुहारी भक्ति नथिले पारे न सुनी धरणी साथी रे कड़ी करी हेरा पंचमी रे सुने गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे माँ को मगे अड़ी करे दाता को मगे काड़ा धरी माँ को मगे अड़ी करे दाता को मगे काड़ा धरी राजा को मगे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे गाड़ी लागे ताकू चंदन परे
तो बाट रही चाहिया कालिया पूरी नलिया मो पूरी नलिया तो बाट रही चाहिया कालिया
One thing about this Rathayatra, I may say why the color of God Jagannath why the color of Lord Jagannath is black and Subhadra Maya is yellow, whereas Lord Balabhadra the color is white because they represent three basic things in world, that is black color represents air, white color represents water, and yellow color represents fire energy, ag. And to pray these gods, either two things from Bhakti Marg you can chant God, or by meditation, by taking the yourself the name of Lord Jagannath, Om Aing Ring Kling Sri, Om Aing Ring Kling Sri, Om Aing Kling Ring Sri वामदेवाय स्वाहा, और ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री भगवती जय दुर्गाय नमः मुतिष्ठ पुरुषिकी सुपेशी भयं संपस्थितम यदि शक्यम अशक्य हूँ दुर्गे भगवती समय स्वाहा, ओम अम्बे अंबिके अम्बालिके नमानयति कश्चन सष्ट शक सुभद्रिकम काम्पल्यावासिनी, और ओम त्र्यंबकम जजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वारुकमिव वंदनान् मृत्युर्मोक्षो मामृतात्। तो ये मंत्र you chant in your mind in pranayam for long hours, then you connect with Lord Jagannath. This is the thing I should have mentioned in the videos, but separately I have to say. Okay. So even though God Jagannath is Paramatma, the Brahma, the supreme soul of this universe, still prominently to sustain our life we require earth, air, fire and water. Sky is the mental power. So Shiva represents even the earth power. So Krishna represents the sky power. Like this, the Brahma, which is transformed into 5 elements like water, fire, sky, earth and air. So they represent like this. This Param Brahma Narayana has been represented into color, represent different colors also. And Tulsi very dear to God because Tulsi also represents water. Okay, and many diseases being cured by Tulsi. Thank you. Really, the mega event you can find out in every street. You can find big temples are being built and chariots, Nandighosh, Talodhwaj and Darpadalan. 3 chariots being built. Okay. So in the last video I had already told God Sri Krishna is being worshipped as God Sri Krishna is worshipped as Aing Hring Kling Sri वामदेवाय स्वाहा एंड भगवान कृष्ण का बीज मंत्र है एंड बलभद्र शिव जी का बीज मंत्र ओम त्र्यंबकम जजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वारुकमिव वंदनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षो मामृतात् शिवाय नमः। एंड देवी दुर्गा जो कि विरजा, मंगला, गौरी, भगवती, in different places, Sarala, Jivdani, and in different Mirzapur also, Ganga, Gayatri, like in different places you find Devi Durga. So you see on the top of the chariot you can see fishes. Okay. As originally God is being worshipped near seashore, Puri. Okay. nearby places you see two Rath Yatra festivals. Okay, thank you. This is Khaspa Sai Jagannath temple. Already we have completed. Pataleshwar. Oh. Okay. Pataleshwar Jagannath temple. Already we have covered Gosainwanga and Bijupur. This is Berhampur Pataleshwar temple. A big Hanuman statue is built over there. Okay. So this grand ceremony we are celebrating in Odisha Jagannath Puri, in Odisha Berhampur. Quite marvelous thing. And as I told, Vishwa Basu from a forest, Vidyapati brought Jagannath and established in Puri. 1100 years ago. So Gajapati Maharaj has built that temple with a lot of historic things, and in Odisha and all over the world it is being worshipped. People always think that God Jagannath is Vishnu. Krishna Brahma is being established inside God Jagannath. From the Dwaraka period until this period. Okay. Really, God Jagannath Bij mantra is Om Aing Ring Sri Bhagavan. Om Aing Ring Kling Sri Vamadevaya Swaha. And Balabhadra mantra is Om Trambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Moksho Maamrutat. And Subhadra Devi mantra is Om Aing Ring Sri Bhagavati Jai Durgaya Namaha Mutishta Purishiki Sopeshi Bhan Sampostitam Jadi Sakyam Asyakyam Hu Durge Bhagavati Samai Swaha Ambe Ambike Ambalike Namanayati Kaschana Sasasta Swakaha Subhadrikam Kampalya Vasini Dukhesu Udvigna Mana Sukhesu Vairaga Spruha Vitaraga Bhayakrodha Sthitagya Muni Uchyate. तो गीता में भी भगवान कृष्ण बोले कि जैसे कि आप दूसरे का अंदर भगवान देखोगे तब आपका अंदर भी भगवान, मैं आपको भी ऐसे ही देखूंगा, मीन्स आपका अंदर भी भगवान है बोल के सोचूंगा. सो जो गीता का मूल तत्व है, सबको हर प्राणी में भगवान को देखना है. ओके, सो दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ऑल पीपुल आर गॉड ओनली, राइट? So creatures and God, and with this belief, God is Jagannath is being worshipped all around in Odisha. You can see 3 chariots also, Nandigos, Devadalana and Taladzhaj, 3 chariots. It is a beautiful place in Sana Bazar, we call that, in Berhampur. Crowded, so to say. Crowded place in Jagannath in Berhampur, Odisha. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Namaste. This is really Khaspa Sai Jagannath. Already we have covered. Here you can see. Notice that the Balabhadra Bhagavan is smiling. Okay, it looks as if he is smiling, right? And once you feel that it is smiling, and Subhadra Bhagavan also smiling figure. Whereas the thought pattern of God Jagannath, you can see, it is somewhat deep thought in about the activities of this world, right? So this is Berhampur, Bijupur. Really Gosainwanga, Bijupur, Khaspa Sai, Komapulli. There are many places in Berhampur where Jagannath festival is being worshipped very generously, so to say, with a lot of preparation and all the things they look into. This is a 7-day festival, and you can find the chariots around this place only. Okay. Morning also they conduct homa and yajna like functions, so that to activate the godly energies, because as it is being told that once Subhadra Maya went to Dwaraka, and Jagannath and Balabhadra Swami, they accompanied Subhadra chariot to show her different places in Dwaraka. From then Jagannath Swami is being worshipped in a chariot. So also it is being told those people who cannot enter the shrine, they are being given the opportunity to visit Lord Jagannath. And it is believed also that in as per scriptures that Sri Krishna God's Brahma is lying inside God Jagannath. Okay, so I think you will definitely enjoy this festival. Okay, and staying in Puri, it is also more auspicious. You feel more auspicious in Puri. But anyhow, Berhampur is one of the good places where this festival is being celebrated in a very good manner. Also, all over world it is being celebrated. But at least in Berhampur, it is being celebrated. Okay, thank you. This is Gokul Dham temple in Gosainwanga, Berhampur. ISKCON style they have built this temple. Okay, so here only famous Jagannath temple is there of Gosainwanga. You see beautiful art and architecture have been done on the walls. Particularly Devi, Mata, Lakshmi, Narayani, I think. You see, snakes are in the hands. And on the other hand, it is Nagaphasa. You can see. Lion you can find it. You see, Gada. Okay. So both sides you take both sides you get Devi temple, and the famous, you see, God Sri Krishna. He has been beautiful stature of God Sri Krishna on cow. The different gods in cow you can see. Okay, so wonderful image. Even Narayana, Saraswati. Okay, different Shiva, all the gods, 33 crores of gods. And here you see Bhagavan Krishna is gives more respect to cows. So a big cow they have built over here. Lion statue. Narayana. And here you see, this is all from this Gosainwanga temple. Ganpati Baba, also Krishna, different cows with cows and Ganpati Baba elephants. You see, with Ganpati Baba always it is considered to be elephants, right? Here also this cow from other side you can see. Okay, so around like ISKCON style, and always Tulsi is given respect. They think that Tulsi is the most sacred thing for worshipping God Sri Krishna. Doves are there. Ram, Bhagavan Ram, because Krishna and Ram are same. You see here this Rameswaram. They have given this Rameswaram things. Monkeys you can find out here. Okay, I think this is a beautiful temple. The premises. Gokul Dham, even they provide you you see, this is other side of the temple. Here Hanumanji is being worshipped. Panchamukhi Hanuman. And for lodging also I think this is a lodging. Krishna they have given. Spacious, all these temples you need sufficient space to build. Here you can see Ram Bhagavan with sabari eating fruits. Okay, half eaten fruits. It all requires a good amount of money and as well as enough space so that you can build a good temple. This Delhi type, I had visited Delhi Lakshmi Narayan temple and I saw this is just a replica of that temple. This is Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar serving his parents. Okay, these are all small statues to know exactly the work of God. This Shiva statue above the wall. In addition to that, our Hindu Dharma always gives importance to Bauddha Dharma also. Tulsi and Bauddha Dharma as per the 9th incarnation of God Vishnu. For that reason they have given, because balance has to be given of a culture, of a value, of a belief system. So whether it is all inclusive or not, that is required. So accordingly they have given enough coverage to all the aspects of you can say worshipping style or the God. Okay, this is Shiva Panchanan, you can see, and Uchesarva Aswa, means everything. It has to be covered, right? So ISKCON style, you can say that this is a kind of ISKCON style temples, because modern temples are being built in such a way that people should have a kind of relaxation. Okay, here you can see Atithi Devo Bhava, means the Indian culture, the monkey is eating a banana. So Atithi Devo Bhava means what? Exactly the meaning is that people are as guests. So you should not whatever the position of a person or creature, you should not disrespect. So Atithi is like, guest is like a god. So the meaning of this word is Atithi Devo Bhava. Okay, thank you. This is Nandighosh Rath. famous Rath Yatra festival in Gosainnuanga, Berhampur, Odisha. You can see 3 chariots are there. One is Nandighosh, Taladhwaj, Darpa Dalan. 3 every year they collect neem trees, neem wood, and they prepare Rath Yatra. You see, everywhere you can see the design, pieces, cones, chakra. Okay, beautifully designed. They take 2 months at least to prepare a new chariot. Okay, the first one is Taladhwaja, Nandighosh, and third one is Taladhwaja, and between the middle one is Darpa Dalan. Okay, so I thought that because I am visiting this place to my homeland, so to say, so I thought I will make a small video to see how the swans they have designed it, and lion you can see. Hanuman, Bhagwan Krishna, because Jagannath is Nandighosh Rath. For that reason you see these different things. Here you find different gods, because this is Devi chariot. You can find out Devi figures over there. Here it is Balabhadra, so you find Balabhadra, Shiva on Bullock, Parvati, Ganpati. So like this, 3 chariots are there. Okay, we will go further things. Okay. Famous Rath Yatra festival.